Belfast in lockdown, and for weeks the people of Northern Ireland have lived by the spirit of the rules designed to protect them. But that protection couldn't save everyone. Declan Grimes died, a father of 7.
He was so kind. He would have done anything for us.
He was the best daddy, like.
He was a brilliant husband and a brilliant daddy. He really was.
The latest figures show that deaths from coronavirus in Northern Ireland are a third higher than first reported. Now figures from care homes and hospices have been added in. With hundreds more deaths each week than is normal here, some services are struggling to cope. The main crematorium in Northern Ireland closed to the public. Funeral directors say social distancing rules limiting the size of funerals have made the wakes traditional here impossible, adding to the burden of grief.
There's a lot of anger in families because they can't get to do what they want to do, and we all understand that, and we have to absorb that as professionals and try to help them the best we can to get the send-off that they need for their loved one.
But people here are hard-working and they're generous. At this sign makers in East Belfast, they've turned their machinery to cutting protective masks for care workers. In a society famous for its divisions, people are coming together.
Personally, what I'm seeing is the divides coming down, and people are working together, people are sharing, and people are looking out for one another, which is just what this country needs.
Janet is a 92-year-old former land girl living at a care home south of Belfast with its own radio station to keep residents in touch with family. Janet understands the dangers of her position, but she isn't afraid.
I think people do what they can, and if they do what they're told and stay safe that way they're told, then they'll get out of it like they did in the war.
Of the hundreds of extra deaths here, many haven't been put down officially to COVID-19, but other respiratory complaints. In rural communities away from the big hospitals, some fear the impact of the disease could be greater than even the latest numbers suggest. Declan Grimes, ITV News in Belfast.